Hi, how are you?
Hi, too. Good.
What's your name?
My name is Joe.
Joe.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, do you know the country Jamaica?
Yeah, Jamaica, I know.
What do you know it for?
Let's have it. Let's have it. Come on.
Music.
Music.
Reggae, dancehall, something like that, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if you're given a chance to go to Jamaica, would you take it?
Yeah, of course. Why not?
What would you look forward to seeing most when you get to Jamaica?
I think when I go there, I can like to see maybe conscious and to do connection. Yeah, maybe in business or something else. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans,
Sure.
what do you love about Jamaica?
Okay, I don't know a lot of things in Jamaica, but I know music. I think music and some.
What did I hear?
Yeah.
Marijuana.
And also I know that guy, what's the name of that guy? The guy was used to run. Hussein Bolt. Yeah, I know that guy, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, they are good people, I think. They are very good, yes. Jamaica.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, too.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Jeanette. My friends call me J Lover. I'm a journalist. I live in the U.S., but I am from Trinidad
Okay.
and Tobago
Okay.
in the Caribbean.
All right.
All right, talk to me.
Yeah, so we were asking Kenyans, but I'm glad I got you.
Yeah.
Do you know the country Jamaica?
Of course. I've been to Jamaica several times.
Okay.
Jamaica is a part of the Caribbean, right? Now, now I'm going to ask you,
Okay.
how many countries can you name in the Caribbean?
When I see my shit, I'm gonna dig it myself. Come on.
Well, I only know Jamaica, yeah, Trinidad,
Yeah, and Tobago.
Dominican Republic.
Right?
I know my stuff when I see one.
I think
Haiti?
Yeah, Haiti.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
All right, on my show, I'm going to ask you the questions.
Okay.
You ask me the questions now. Go ahead.
Yeah. So what do you love about Jamaica?
What do I love about Jamaica? I love the people. I love the vibe. You know, in the Caribbean, the Jamaicans and the Trinidadians are the most popular in terms of our culture. I love the Jamaican accent. I love the Jamaican men. They love the Trini woman. And I just, I love the vibe. I love the vibe. Now what's making you ask questions about Jamaica?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Because we have subscribers and someone wanted us to ask Kenyans these questions.
Very good. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Bravo. But just know that Jamaica is one island in the Caribbean. So it's almost the same as if I say, what do you know about Africa? But I'm only talking about Kenya. Africa is a continent with many countries. So the Caribbean is our archipelago. Our archipelago with many countries, and Jamaica is just one of them. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Next question.
So I feel like I'm being educated as well.
See, you are ready to learn.
Listen, so we got to. So one of my main missions is I am connecting Black global cultures, right? So the Africans and the African diaspora who live in America, who live in Europe, who live in the Caribbean, we all got to get connected with each other. We're supposed to know each other and know each other's cultures, because at the end of the day, we all look the same.
Yeah.
You put us all in a room together, what are they going to say? They're not going to say you Kenyan, you Jamaican, you Trinidad. They're going to say we all Black.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So
Okay, and what can you encourage someone who wants to visit Jamaica? What can you tell them?
okay, I would say anybody who wants to visit the Caribbean or visit Jamaica, just go experience the culture, enjoy the fact that you're in another country that has Black people, right? People who care about you, who look like you. Just go. Don't wait. Just go. But also see other African countries. You know what I mean? And don't expect just to be on the beach and somebody serving you a drink.
You get it?
Like, don't do that. Go and experience the culture. See where the people live. Eat how they eat. Talk to them. Integrate with them. Don't just be like a service.
And what can you say you don't like about Jamaica?
I don't like the fact that Jamaicans feel that them is the #1 Caribbean island in the world, because they're not. Okay, they're not. They're too bossy. Anyway, but I love them because I'm Trini and we bossy too. So we got that little rivalry going on between us, but we love each other. So I don't say anything that I really don't like, because I think you know, there's always things to like, right? And so like that's more important, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Sherry.
Cheryl.
Yes.
Are you Kenyan?
Yeah, I'm Kenyan. Definitely.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, do you know the country Jamaica?
Yeah, I do.
What do you know them for?
Music, definitely.
Music.
Yeah, the rhythms, the reggae. Yeah, who doesn't know Jamaica, seriously?
So the question we are asking today, first of all, if you're given an opportunity to visit Jamaica, would you take it?
Yeah, for sure.
What would you look forward to seeing in Jamaica?
The culture, the people, the environment, just I think everything.
Everything.
Yes.
Today we are asking Kenyans, what do you love about Jamaica?
First of all, the dance. Yeah, like those people can really dance, like the best dances. And the music, yeah, I love it.
And if you are given an opportunity to pick, would you marry a Jamaican man?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind. I think it's okay because you get to, culturally exchange stuff and everything. So I think you'll get to learn a lot also. So I think I wouldn't mind.
You wouldn't mind?
Yeah.
Okay, Sasa, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm fine, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Dominic.
Dominic.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, do you know the country Jamaica?
Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yes.
How do you know it?
Because of their music. Apparently, dancehall music is one of the most viral musics here in Kenya, followed by reggae. So yeah, that's how I know Jamaica, but all because of their music.
Okay, and do you have a favorite artist you're listening to currently?
Yes. Actually, he's here in Kenya. Conscience.
Conscience.
Yes.
If he was standing in front of you, what would you tell him?
I'd sing for him a verse of his song. Yes.
Which one? Could you do something for us?
It's called Hustle. I'm not a Jamaican. If any Jamaican watching me, kindly forgive me. Though the song, right now I'm nervous because you guys are interviewing me.
Yeah.
We hustle, we hustle, we hustle, we hustle. Cigarette, phone can, something like that. But
I see you're a true fan.
I'm a true fan. We used to listen to Jamaican music in high school. It's still being listened to. So yeah, if you're a Jamaican and you're a musician watching, come to Kenya. Automatically, Kenyans will love you just because of your accent, nothing else. Accent and music.
Yeah.
Yes.
So if you're given an opportunity to travel to Jamaica, would you take it?
Yes, I would, as long as I have someone to host me. I'd travel to Jamaica for a week. I'd go to the beach, and yes.
And is there anything other than the beach? Is there anything else you're looking forward to seeing when you get to Jamaica?
Yes, I want to see if what we see on YouTube is true about Jamaica. We all know, and this is not a secret, Jamaican ladies, what they're talented at.
So you want to go and see that?
Yes, I want to go and confirm if it's true that they usually go to buildings, first floor, and then there's a boy on the ground, and then the girl jumps at the roof. So I want to go and see if that's true.
And also experience it.
Yeah, I know. No, I don't want to experience. I want to record with my phone, and that's it. I don't want to experience. I might get hurt.
Okay. Okay, Sasa, thank you so much for your time.
Thanks for your time too. Yes.
Okay.
So if you're watching, subscribe to their channel.
Twins Hangout Kenya, subscribe. Hi, how are you?
Hello, hey,
What's your name?
I'm Blessing.
Blessing.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, okay. So today we're asking Kenyans, do you know the country Jamaica?
Yeah,
How do you know it?
I know it based on their songs, the way they smoke weed, the way they party, the way they have good girls, you know.
So if you're given a chance to travel to Jamaica, would you take it?
Maybe, yes, I can.
What would you look forward to seeing most when you get to Jamaica?
I will like partying, vitu ka hizo, you know.
Just the party life.
Yeah, the
and
party.
the vibe.
Yeah.
Okay, sawa sawa. And could you maybe tell us what you love most about Jamaica and Jamaicans?
I like their songs. Yeah. And the way they dance, because I'm a dancer, you know. Dancehall. Yeah.
Maybe could you tell us where they can find you?
They can find me on TikTok at Wamboi and Instagram Dofimia. Yeah.
You do dance content?
Yeah, I do content. Yeah, then TikTok can find me. Yeah, Wamboi.
Okay, so thank you so much.
Welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Helen.
Helen. Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, do you know the country Jamaica?
Yeah.
What do you know it for?
Singing, space in dancehall. Yeah.
What is your favorite music, or what are you listening to currently?
Let's say dancehall.
Dancehall.
Yeah.
And could you maybe tell us your favorite artist?
Web Scatter.
Oh, Vibes Cartel. If he was standing in front of you, what would you tell him?
I'm your fan.
Oh, you're his fan?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you're given an opportunity to go to Jamaica right now, would you take it?
Yeah.
What would you look forward to seeing most when you get to Jamaica?
The way they live. Yeah. Let's say like that.
Okay. And is there anything else you love other than their music?
They are fashionable. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Marianne, aka Mchinku.
Marianne M. Chinku.
Yeah.
Okay, what's your name?
Nixon.
Nixon. Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, do you know the country Jamaica?
Yeah.
Do you know that Jamaica?
Yeah.
What do you know it for?
My father lives in Jamaica.
Really? Is he Kenyan or Jamaican?
Jamaican.
Oh, wow. How do you deal with that distance?
I mean, it's fine with me because, you know, I can travel there and Jamaica is my favorite country, you know, yeah.
Have you ever traveled to Jamaica?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. What good things can you tell us about Jamaica?
Jamaica is a free country. I love it because it is just fun. Dancehall music, everything, yeah. Plus, my father is a Jamaican artist, so yeah.
So if someone wanted to visit Jamaica, what would you advise that person?
Muende, mjibambe, huko kuna bamba, yeah.
What do you know Jamaica for?
Music.
Music.
Yeah.
Who's your favorite artist right now?
Skeng. Skeng.
Skeng.
Yeah.
Can you maybe mention for us one music?
Shalala. Shalala.
Okay, and if you're given an opportunity to visit Jamaica, would you take it?
Yeah.
What would you look forward to seeing in Jamaica?
Ashinsia.
Ashinsia.
Yeah.
What else?
Vibes Cartel.
So the main question of the day is, what do you love about Jamaica?
The music. Yeah.
Is there anything else?
Oh no. Just the music. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you guys so much for your time.
You're welcome.